that in India, how we just watch diversity and what is the importance of diversity in our life. And in just we have to just read the two case study of Kerala and Ladakh, where the geographical factors and the other factors that determines the differences of life in the different people in Kerala and Ladakh. We have to take this information. Now we are just going to the last phase of the chapters, that is the unity in diversity. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. When the British rules India, women and men from different cultures, religious and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. India's freedom movement had thousands of people of different backgrounds in it. They worked together to decide joint actions, they went to jail together, and they found different ways to oppose the British. So from the British we just see there that from the British rule we just see there that there was a different types of people are living there, but we are all together. At first last, the one thing is very important, that maybe we are different from each other, but we are all living together. Interestingly, the British thought they could divide Indians because they were so different, and they continued to rule them. But the people showed how they could be different and yet to be united in their battle against the British. So this song, that is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar, in which a British general opened fire on a large group of unarmed peaceful people, killing many and wounding even more. Many men and women, Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, rich and poor, had gathered to protest against the British. This song was composed. One song was composed there. That is the that later we have to just sing the song. That is not so important. Just remember one this, that the song to honor of the memory of those brave people, that all the people are together. In this book, The Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, the book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. It is very famous book. That is The Discovery of India. That Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper from the outside. It was something deeper, and within its fold, the widest tolerance of the belief and the customs was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. It was Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity. So first the word it is used as a unity in diversity. Here we just see that there is a geographical fact that in the geographical regions are different here. Here it is the Himalayan range are there. Here that is we are just in the coastal range are there. Coastal areas are there. There is a Gangetic plains are there. There is a plateau regions are there. Their language are different of the different people. Their religion are different from the different people. After all, we just remember one thing, that we are Indian, and all of we have some just love our country, and we love our diversity also, and diversity makes our culture more colorful and more uh, it is just that we see that we are rich in culture because of that there is a so many mixing of the other cultures. Okay, so we have to remember this thing. Okay, so this is the finishing of the chapter. Next day onwards we have the test. So remember one thing, that you have to read the lessons very carefully, because the small questions should be asked from here. Just like maybe that is the Chinese fishing nets, it is called, that is Chinawalla. Or maybe that the wool in Ladakh, the famous wool in Ladakh, that is the or the example of Ladakh, it is the example of cold desert. Or maybe the wool, this is very famous in Ladakh, it is the Pashmina. This type of question should be asked to you. Very easy questions. So students, please read the chapters very well.